Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to download a pretty cool app. So let's just go right into your app store. In your app store, your very last option will say search. We're just going to type in the game. Alright, so it should be your second option. And instead of this iCloud icon, you guys should see get. Once you guys tap on get, because it's totally free, it's going to start downloading this game. So let's just tap on it to see more information about it. I know it's 2.4 gigs for iPad. Now for iPhone, it should be around the same size. So there we go, 2.4 gigs. Now you do get updates with it later on. That's gonna add up a couple more megabytes to it, not gigs. So you are gonna be looking at least have 3 gigs of space for this game in particular. How long will this take to download? Well, it really depends on your internet speed. This could take anywhere from 2 hours if you have extremely slow internet, or 5 minutes. I have decent internet and it took just 5 minutes on my iPad, so I assume on my iPhone it's gonna take no more than that. To check out if this game is compatible with your phone, you guys can scroll down, and down here you guys will see compatibility. So right now it does tell you that it requires at least iOS 9. Alright, so older iPhones will not work, and it is compatible with iPhone 5s. So starting with that 5s and up, this game will work. Now downloading the updates that come with it, that takes another 2 or 3 minutes, and you guys should be done. Once the game has been fully downloaded, 5-10 minutes after, you guys will see this open. Just open it up, and that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.